Hey everyone, Andy here from Tech OBS, and today I just want to show you guys my childhood watch, which is this Q&Q watch. And I actually had this when I was a kid, like back in school days, almost like a decade or so, probably even more. Sorry, sometimes it just loses focus. So anyway, so I just brought this brand new today, and so I'm gonna, revisit the nostalgia and show you guys how the watch looks like. It's just a simple digital watch, but it has a lot of memories. So mine got totaled, like it just doesn't work anymore, so I just had to buy another one. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Oh my god, it's like really tough to open, but as you can see, it is opening, and there we go. We got this beautiful watch right here that has served me for a long freaking time. Okay, so I mean, I got this as a gift from one of my relatives, and I'm finally buying this with my own YouTube money. So yeah, alhamdulillah for that. Let's see, what else do we have in the box. We got some. Oh, okay, this is probably the receipt of warranty. It does have 1 year warranty. I'll provide the link to purchase. I'm currently living in Bangladesh, so yeah, there's a website called Style Buds, I think. So this is where you can buy it if you're in Bangladesh. And I got some, warranty. It does have 1 year warranty and all that crazy stuff. So yeah, we're gonna put these over here, and we're just gonna look at this beautiful watch right there. Sorry, my throat, actually, I don't know, I have a cold, so that's why I kind of have like a manly voice right now. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so it comes with this beautiful, I remember having this on like a rocket ship, but I don't know, maybe that was something else. Maybe like the box was different, but I don't know. This does look like an original box though. I don't know why my previous watch came in like a rocket ship. I have no clue, but yeah. Let me just go ahead and open this bad boy up. And there we go. Q&Q. I forgot the model. Actually, I'll provide the model in the description. So yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and peel this bezel. Ooh, look at this. I've also got to put this over here. And yeah, there we go. The beautiful classic Q&Q 10 bar or whatever the heck it said. Let me just try to understand how to open this. I actually lost this, wrist thing, so I had to buy another one. But thankfully, I have the original one, and I'll try my best not to lose this one. How do I open this? Yeah, there we go. Do I even need the sticker? I actually have to remove the sticker, right? Should I, just take it off? You know what, for now, let's just wear it like this. I just want to see how it looks. Oh, I can adjust this as well. Probably. But anyway. So I have to wear it in this. Wait a second. Yeah, okay. There we go. Adjust it, the tightness as well. And look at this bad boy. Childhood nostalgia once again. I think this is the light, I believe. Oh yeah, this is the light. The green light, exactly like that before. I wish the dialer, the bezel would rotate. I would always try to do that, but it just wouldn't work. But guys, I kind of want that Ben 10 experience, although I know that divers wear it for a different purpose, but I like to rotate it, but it doesn't rotate, so yeah, just to keep in mind. G-Shock, I believe it has, because, it's written shock. These are the buttons. This will give you the 24-hour format, I think. Oh, actually, just open the manual, and This side is in Russia, and this is in English. So yeah, I did read a bit on what each things do. So I think I was wrong about just one thing, which is, so I think this isn't the 24-hour. This is actually the year, and along with the month and the date. So 5 is, May, and 19 is the date. This is the light. Oh, would you look at that? I actually took it off without, breaking the sticker. So it just had this little thing here that you can take it off. That's cool. And what the heck is this? Yeah, this is the 24-hour one. All right, and this is the mode where you'll get a lot of options. So this is the alarm, which it is pretty loud. I remember it back then, so I'm not gonna do that. And this is the stopwatch. This is the second time zone, where you can set another time for another country, I guess. And this is your main time. You can also do a lot of crazy stuff by holding it, and you can change the date manually, but I'm not gonna do that. It just came in with the actual time just fine. And this is the exact model of the watch. It costed me around, you can say around 20 bucks, or over here it's like 2,300 taka. Look at that. Beautiful, man. So yeah, if you're looking to purchase one of these, I can provide the link in the description as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and yeah, thanks to Q&Q for this awesome experience. So yeah, thank you guys.